Alright, I'm looking for a trade here. We have broken out of this ascending channel and we are reaching the top of this ascending channel here. And once we hit the top of this, I'm going to be looking for a short trade. I'm in the 610 chart. Try to make a point off the 610. Just a point here. Looking for a good signal bar on the 2K chart. Okay, made a point on the 610. Oh my gosh. Why? 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 I should have had a runner. Oh, I should have had a runner. I get my runner. Oh my gosh. It was too fast. I could not. That was so fast. I couldn't even get in on the 2K chart. I just saw it on the. Wow, that sucks. Okay, we're coming back to test the bottom of this channel here. Strong leg down, strong move down. Wow, that's something else. That's truly something else. Surprise bar hitting the 20 EMA on the 10K chart. Goodness gracious. Yep, little oversold or every overbought. That's what happens when you're overbought. Surprise bar. You're expecting another surprise bar. Jeez. Jeez, I was so fast. I couldn't even get in there. Oh, man. I hit the target pretty much on cue, and that's the lesson for today. Always have your runner. Because this will be a runner right now. Oh my gosh, this whole thing would have been a runner. Why did I sell my runner? Oh, that's so frustrating. Oh my gosh. Like 20 points right here. I feel like some news just happened. I don't know. That's a pretty volatile move. Seems a bit extreme.